Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start on clean, dry lids. This matters because oil breaks down liner. Apply a thin primer or set with light powder to give grip. Next, anchor your elbow on a table and tilt your head slightly. Hold the pen or brush at a 45 degrees angle so the tip sits close to the lash line. Begin with small, connected dashes from inner third outward. Short strokes give control and let you shape the line without overcommitting. Once you have the baseline, map the wing by placing a tiny dot where you want the tip. This gives a clear target. Then connect the dot to the outer lash line using short, slightly upward strokes so the angle follows your lower lash line. This keeps symmetry. Fill in the triangle between wing and lash line with light strokes, making the inner line thinner and the outer slightly thicker. Make sure to step back and check both eyes for evenness before the final pass. You finish by smoothing any jagged edges and setting the liner to prevent transfer. Press a matching eyeshadow or a touch of translucent powder over the line. For tiny gaps, use a thin brush or micro liner to add pinpoint strokes rather than dragging a heavy line. This keeps precision. If a smudge happens, wait 20 to 30 seconds so the product skins over, then gently lift it with a pointed cotton swab and remover. Reapply only where needed to preserve symmetry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.